Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. Here you can see trend was green, so you can see the market in the gold was really amazing. Only buy entries you had me to follow because the market trend was green. Okay, that is really amazing. And here we got one more buy entry, and hopefully at the end of the video you will see our target is upper band line, and I will show you. But the question I receive a strange question. Let me show you. The person was saying, if your Usman trend system trading view best indicator, this is my trading view indicator name, is much powerful, then show me the results in the 1 minute time frame, because he was saying the today gold market was upside, so let show the today result, and I clearly say to market trend was upside, so you had me to follow buy entries, and I will show you in the today video how powerful system I have make. Let me show you. First we will bar replay mode, then I will show you, and also I will show you a live entry as well. Okay, this was our entry point, and let me clear the entry point. You got the buy signal. Okay, after that make sure your candle must close upside from the RSI and this short trend. Okay, this is long trend, and here you can see this is the short trend. Okay, so this is your entry point. You can put your stop loss. Okay, and your take profit is upper band line, and in this video you will see a live entry result as well. Okay, so from the bar replay mode I will show you today results. Okay, so hopefully you will understand the buy rule and sell rule. Buy rule, simple buy rule, this is your entry point. Okay, and then you can see. Okay, I will show you row for result. If you will follow only buy signal, okay, then you will get accuracy of around 60%, maybe 70%. Okay, but if you will follow my rules, make sure candle must close below from the line, and the short trend must be green, like here. This is your entry point. Okay, let me show some more entry. Like this is your entry point. Okay, let me show some more. This is your entry point. Yes, entry fail. Yes, I know. Okay, take one more entry, and at the end you can see. Okay, let me show some more. Okay, okay, this is an amazing one. Okay, let me show you, and I will explain step by step, and by using the bar replay mode. Okay, we change the trend, market trend, change the trend at this point, so we will when the market changing its trend, so before that I will show you results like here. Let me show some clear points. So here you can see you got the sell signal, trend is short, red dash means you have sell trend, and then we have need to wait, the candle must close below from the RSI, this is the RSI, and short trend. Okay, now let's see. Okay, here you can see market is closing below each and everything condition, so this is a was our entry point. Okay, and here we go, you can close your trade here. Simple. Now the market trend is changed, so you have need to wait for the RSI, where we got the buy signal. Now we have need to wait for the candle to close upside from the RSI and the short trend. Okay, then let me show. Here we go, that is really amazing. Take profit. Okay, you got the buy signal, candle closing upside, so at the end you can see results was really amazing. This was your entry point. Take profit. Okay, let's show some more points or more entries. Okay, you can even open your one more position at this point. Okay, and hopefully here we go, we got the entry point, and you can close, and you can get the profit as well. Okay, or you can close your trade as well as here. Okay, here one more entry point, and you can see here, you can see one more entry point, close your trade. Now let's find out more. Here, this is your entry point, close your trade. 100% non-repainted, band is non-repainted, RSI is non-repainted, short trend is non-repainted, and long trend is also non-repainted. Here we got the entry. Here we go. Let's find out. Yes, amazing. Okay, let's find out more entries. Yes, market going upside, upside, upside. Here we go. You can see, you can open your one more position here. This is your entry, one more point. Amazing, man. Okay, here in this candle, and you can see, amazing, mind blowing. Okay, nobody can provide you this indicators like I make. Okay, this was your entry point. Okay, and this is your take profit. You can take one more entry at this point. Okay, now here you can see this trend identification is clearly saying that this is a buy trend, so you can open your one more position buy trend at this point. Okay, and here we go went, just wait, because here you can see do not get entry, and here we got the entry. You can see you got the profit as well. Let's find out more entries. Here we got the entry, and let's find out. Yes, we got the profit. That is the beauty. Here we got the entry, one entry, and second entry, take profit. That is amazing. I do not need to explain. You can take one more entry at this point. You can take one more entry at this point. Okay, and here we go. You can take one more entry at this point. Okay, at this point. Okay, okay, market goes upside. Okay, we find out. Okay, you can get at the entry. You can get the entry at this point. Okay, you can get the entry at this point to get the profit. Simple rule, amazing rule, and mind blowing. You can get the entry. Okay, and here we go. Let's find out. Here we go. This was our entry point. You can close your trade. You got the buy signal, just wait, and here we got the entry. Okay, or here we go, another entry. Because the trend is green side, so we do not need to worry about anything. Okay, here we go. That is mind blowing. So you can take one more entry at this point, and you can take one more entry at this point. Okay, now let's wait, and we'll go. This was our entry point. Okay, and you can see. So hopefully now you enjoy it. Hopefully, yes. Hopefully, I hope that you enjoy it. Okay, and this maybe this candle maybe take a profit, maybe. Okay, maybe no, it's not maybe, it's of course give you the profit in maybe next 1 minute, or maybe 2 minutes, or maybe 3 minutes. You can get the profit. Okay, I will show you, just wait. If you need this indicator, yes, you can contact me. Let me show you my contact details. These are my contact details. If you need, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Gmail. Write one at the end if you want to contact me on Telegram. Gmail, simple hoga @gmail.com if you want to contact me on Gmail. Any further query, any question, yes, you can ask me. I will, and I must try to resolve your query, to answer your query, and provide you the best indicator. But remember, my indicators are paid, not free of cost. Okay, you have need to pay to get the indicator, not hundreds of dollars, just few dollars, and you will get that. Hopefully you enjoy it. And now here there is a very small gap between the between this one. Now I have need to close my recording, and now any further query or any question, yes, you can ask me. And for the next video, bye bye, take care.